When Voyager 1 rose on September 5, 1977, it was developed for the mission of 5 years to study Jupiter, Saturn, and their moon. But no one could predict what was in the future. 48 years later, the spacecraft went further and still moved in the Sun in more than 24.8 billion kilometers in history. His mission has developed beyond the limits of planetary intelligence, pushing the edge of the solar system, revealing the secret of interstellar space. When he entered an unknown place, Voyager 1 made an innovative discovery, which continues to challenge our understanding of the universe. In October 2022, the Aging Investigation discovered an amazing event and shocked the scientific community with two intents and mystery. This month, the Voyager 1 tool was called the brightest when the astronomers immediately observed the LIBA because of the surge in gamma radiation and the explosion. This not only reveals the depth of the space, but also destroyed the Earth's spur and sent shock waves across the Earth. Nevertheless, the most amazing aspect is rare and not a mass explosion, but a seemingly ordinary supernova. Gamma. The explosion was not even brighter. This was accompanied by the intensive concentrated radiation flow, which rewritten the understanding of the scientists' understanding of supernova's behavior. Even before this special discovery, Voyager 1 showed a noticeable structure on the edge of the heliosphere on a wide range of dynamic walls. This wall is like a shield, protecting the solar system from space radiation. The journey of Voyager 1 in this area has a lot of turbulence and confusing, but Voyager's second shift has shown completely different pictures for years. Scientists now create a self-shield that changes as the heliosphere's behavior changes with the cycle of the Sun's activity. But what is the outside border? Voyager's conclusion shows that heliopause is not just a barrier, but an unpredictable and unknown sentence. When Voyager 1 exceeded this threshold, he entered the turbulence area. Unlike everything that previously observed the dynamic conflict of plasma wave, magnetic field, and space beam. The more interesting data is transmitted to the surface, and the data has been made of fluctuating density and has formed a mosaic of turbulence. Voyager found two amazing mixtures instead of the sharp interval between the Sun and the interstellar space. The intercepted magnetic field is unexpectedly matched with the Sun, making it smooth, but creates a mysterious transition. This raises deep questions. Is the interstellar space more active and structured than before? And are other surprises hidden in the void? As Voyager 1 entered the interstellar space, he began to detect weak reverberation in distant supernova that occurred millions of weak or billions of years ago. This shock wave, which is transmitted to high-energy particles and plasma, almost sees a violent event that forms a galaxy. Voyager tools recorded plasma density fluctuations, suggesting the enormous power of this long universe disaster. What's even more surprising is the size of these waves, which seems to be much more concentrated and vitality than expected. Can they have tips on how the galaxy has developed over billions of years? The most exciting discovery Voyager 1 is the detection of plasma that occurs through interstellar media that provide a unique method for measuring plasma density. This wave is more than scientific curiosity. They challenged the concept of interstellar space for a long time with static emptiness. Instead, they show a dynamic and constantly changing environment formed by the universe. Is this change in the ancient star case or suggests in the current process? Still not known to us? Meanwhile, gamma erosion found by Voyager 1 was not very powerful. It provided a tremendous narrow, concentrated radiation stream that challenged existing astrophysical models. Unlike everything previously observed, the aircraft showed a unique anomaly in several long waves, from unexpectedly strong wireless waves to confusing X-ray models. Scientists are now looking for the answer. Can this be evidence of a new type of star collapse? Or can we witness a completely unknown universe? At the edge of the solar system is one of the mysterious discoveries of the walls. Created by the magnetic field of the Sun, this structure serves as a shield for space radiation that interacts with interstellar. It is a dynamic character to make this wall so mysterious. Voyager found a sudden change in the power of the magnetic field, assuming that this boundary was much more active than previously considered. But what happens if this wall is weakened? Can interceptive power violate heliosphere and affect the solar system that we do not yet understand? Voyager 1 shows amazing complexity in this area because it deepens into an adult medium. The distant empty interstellar space is clearly a patchwork blanket of plasma, magnetic fields, and high-energy particles, and each interacts by giving up our understanding. Voyager tools suggest that interstellar space is formed by ancient superiority, star wind, and other space phenomena by discovering pockets of various plasma density. What is this hidden structure? Can this plasma pocket be a remnant of ancient galaxy or a deeper hint? One of the most interesting discoveries created by Voyager 1 includes a mysterious read on energy that suggests an unexpected interaction between the space beam and the vast space of the interstellar space. Scientists have long believed that these high-energy particles will be scattered evenly when they travel to space, but Voyager 1 data tells a different story. Spatial rays form an unusual pattern that challenges astronomical physical models without even spreading even in a noticeable cluster in a certain area. The unexpected equalization of the magnetic field outside the border, where the influence of the Sun disappears in the interstellar space, is much more mystery. The conclusion of the existing theory of how the intercourse's magnetic field acts and raises deep questions. Can this be the evidence of unknown power in the universe? Or can we show a fundamental gap in our understanding of the structure of space radiation and space itself? Scientists continue to analyze Voyager 1 data to unlock new secrets in the deep and unknown areas of galaxy. Its conclusion shows that the interstellar magnetic field is more closely linked to the magnetic field of the Sun than the scientists predicted when the Libis predicted. This coordination challenges our understanding of the role of heliosphere and raises questions about the relationship between the solar system and the external galaxy. This is the unity of the universe coincidence, or it represents an unknown connection between our solar system and galaxy in the largest mystery and large gates of the universe. For 48 years, Voyager 1 has been able to travel more than any human being created by our opinion and unlock the secrets of our universe, once out of imagination. But his recent discovery of gamma-free priests about unprecedented power, hidden plasma structure, interstellar weather, and mysterious sort of magnetic field raises more questions than answers. Voyager is not just a spacecraft. This is a tireless researcher who enters the capsule and unknown of space messenger human ambition. Running in 1977, he traveled farther than any of man in history and solved the solar system and the mystery beyond it. He took off his breathless image of a distant planet and showed a thin boundary where Jupiter turbulent storms, Saturn's ice ring, and our solar system meet the interstellar space. But Voyager is more than scientific tools and gold records, evidence of human culture, music and greetings greet you in dozens of languages for potential alien listeners. Voyager 1 symbolizes our constant curiosity, and eternal human needs to explore our constant curiosity and the next horizon, because it enters the vast space sea. Are we preparing a deep discovery that can change our understanding of the universe? Can Voyager travel the key of the secret of galaxies? Or will only the secret of our universe will deepen? What do you think the violation of the Voyager means for future space research?